Hello everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Greywater Green. Today we're going to talk about Title 24 for apartment buildings in the city of Los Angeles. Why the city of Los Angeles? Because it requires all buildings to be Greywater equipped. That means anywhere from a single family home all the way up to these multi-unit complexes. But in here we're talking about apartment complexes and how you can meet it. Well, the first thing you need to do is how much water you're going to need for your landscape. So the way to do that calculation is take your total square footage of your landscape, times it by whatever the evaporation transpiration is for the month of July. You can see our website for a complete list of the different locations to find that number. Typically it's about 6 in Los Angeles. So square footage times a 6, that's how many inches of water is going to be required for the month, times 0.62, which is going to give you the total gallons for the month. Now divide that by the number of days, 31 days in July. That gives you the total gallons per day. So now you know how many gallons per day you need to generate to keep that landscape nice and lush. Now you have to figure out, where do I get all this water? Well, the easiest location to pull water from are showers. So then you take the total gallons that you need and think about, okay, each shower or each occupant in an apartment is going to generate about 25 gallons of shower water a day. So then you take that 25 and divide it into the number of gallons you need, and that tells you how many apartments with occupancies you're going to need to meet your requirements. Or you can think about the same numbers of occupants in the laundry room and pull the water from the laundry room based off of 15 gallons per occupant. All that water is going to flow into what's called a greywater distribution tank and then pass it on along into the aquifer pipe. The aquifer pipe is buried 12 inches below the ground, so every gallon of water is going to get better utilized because we eliminate the evaporation aspect of irrigation. Now you're future-proofing the landscape on times of severe drought where there's restrictions on water as well as increases on prices. What's nice is that your net operating income is going to go up a little bit because your net expenses are going to go down because you're not spending as much money on drinkable water just to put on the landscape, and your sewer bill is going to go down because they always charge you for as much water that's coming in to go out to the sewer. It's a great way to save water, great way to meet your requirements, and also because we're equipment manufacturer, any of your staff can do the installs themselves. We're more than happy to teach them or watch some of our instruction videos. It's a little confusing, I know, so feel free to look down below for some links to our website to do those calculations. Think green.